There is a moment. There is a moment. There is a moment. Gilead. Hey. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video on this is a nail video, and this is the secret to press-ons. So let me just first off by saying Happy New Year's. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really do appreciate all of my new subscribers. If you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And then if you want to be notified about my channel, just click the notification button. Okay, let's get right into it. First thing first, I need y'all to stop talking about press-ons. Let me tell you about press-ons. Y'all are sleeping on press-ons. And I'm going to give y'all an insight on my story when it comes down to press-ons. Well, about 3 or 4 years ago when they started, maybe 5 years ago, when they started like the UV light and the dipping powder and the solar nails and all that stuff like that, you know, I was with it. I was down, like, okay, this is something new, fresh, let's get it, okay? So next thing you know, I was getting them over and over, and it took for me about nail refill number 4 until I started noticing some changes with my nails. So what happened was, I will be getting my nails done, and what will happen is all of my cuticles will begin to burn. And so like it will burn, it will peel, like you know how sometimes your nail peel, it was peeling way down here. I was like, okay, something is not right. It took for that 4th time, like where my nails had got so swollen, it looked like I had an allergic reaction when it comes down to my nails. And I went to the doctor, and they were saying it was the UV light and the products and the chemicals were pretty much eating my nails alive. It was gonna start eating my nails alive if I want to continue. So don't really truly sleep on people like that go get their nails done. I mean that don't get their nails done, because it's a lot of stuff. Like you may be thinking like you all cute and all that stuff, but let me tell you, they may even say that, oh no, there's no chemicals in these. You know, we do all green products. We don't use no chemicals, plant-based, whatever bull crap. Because about a year or two ago, maybe last year, I tried to go get my nails done, and I was just like, well, let me see if there's something different, you know, because they were saying like they don't use chemicals and all this stuff no more. So I went, and when I went, guess what? That lasted me for 2 or 3 days, and once again, my nails had started doing the same thing. I was like, oh no, I am forever done with getting my nails done. So like what I may do is when I do go to the nail shop, I let them clean me up sometimes, you know, clean my cuticles, get my cuticles right, and then I pretty much go home. I tell them don't put no polish on it, and I put my press-ons on. Like that's just how I roll, because I still like nails. So that is the first thing. So one of the benefits of like press-ons, first of all, it's a new year, new budget, get your life. You can save a lot of money, save a ton of money on nails, because you can go and get these nails from like either the Dollar Tree, the dollar store. You can go to your local grocery store. I'm not sure if department stores sell them. Even the hair store sell these, and you can pay for a $5 pack of nails and get your life for about a week or two. And now you may be saying a week or two, what about a day or two? Let me tell you the secret. These are the secrets that I'm getting ready to give you. When it comes down to nails, first of all, you have to make sure that your nails are like oil free, meaning that you have to get, I usually use these pads to get my nails clean. Okay, so when you're getting your nails done, like right before you're about to put the nails on, make sure that you get, ooh, the sun is like shining. I'm trying to get it close. Okay, these are the alcohol swab wipes, because if you have oil in your nails, like what's gonna happen is that nails just gonna slide off. So you can clean your nails, like if you do your own manicures, you know, that's my suggestion. You can do that. When you do them, like right after you do everything, put you some tea tree oil or something, vitamin E or something on your oil, let it sit for like 5 minutes or whatnot, and then once your nails are completely clean, you use an alcohol wipe, and you wipe the actual nail only. You don't have to do all the skin, but just the nail where you about to put a fake nail on it. So you could do that, and then so that's the number 1 secret. Make sure that your fingernails are all free. Make sure your hands are washed and clean before you do this. When you do this, also you get your alcohol wipe or Swab, or just, you can get alcohol and some towels, to be honest with you. A Swab or something like that, and just clean those nails, make sure they're clean. The number 2 thing is the particular glue that you use, and I'm gonna show you in the video the special glue that I use to perfect and have my nails that's on fleek. Okay, so I'm gonna show you that in the video. My third advice and the third secret that you can really benefit from these nails is the fact that right after you do your nails, you cannot wash your hands for an hour, at least an hour. I'm gonna say 30 minutes to an hour. Reason being is because if that water gets in the middle of your nail, like in between your nails or whatever, they're gonna slide off. So those are a few tips, and I'm gonna be honest with you, the longest I've ever had press-ons for, I can honestly say it was a full 2 weeks because of these secrets and the nail glue that I use. But I'm gonna show you that. Okay, so those are just the benefits. So remember, you can find your nails at the Dollar Tree, the Dollar Store, Family Dollar, General Dollar, Walmart, Target, the hair store, and one place where I recently found out, if you guys don't know about Wish, you can get your some cute nails for $1 on Wish, and most of the people that sell those press-on nails on Wish, the only thing you gotta pay is the shipping, and the shipping be just like $1. So, hey, that's for all my girls and my girls out there that's trying to save their coins. New you, new budget. Okay, so once again, it benefits with the budgeting. Like, it really cuts down when you actually calculate, you know, say for instance, because I know my nails, if I do a nail and pedicure, I'm coming out with $60 probably a month. I mean, not even a month, excuse me, $60 every 2 weeks. Okay, so what I even do to my feet to kind of benefit off of that and make sure that I have all those feet tools, and what I do sometimes, I do my own pedi and just let them do the polish, because sometimes something about doing my feet and my polish is just, I can get it sometimes, but then sometimes I just be like, you know what, I need a moment to relax, self-care, go take care of yourself, just let them go ahead and do it. So, but these nails, I can do these nails for myself, okay? And I like just having fun, like just have fun. You can have you a pair of fresh nails. If you don't want to keep them on for 2 weeks, you can have you a fresh pair of nails every week. And then people be looking at you, girl, you get your nails in again? Let me tell you, the fake nails and the real nails, like, you know, actually you put in, because they're all fake, but, you know, the acrylic and all that, they still don't look the same. So those are some goodies. So if you guys are interested in the secrets of how I keep my nails on and what I do in my little regimen, stay tuned and we're gonna get right into it. Happy New Year. Oh, happy New Year. Hey. All right, let me stop playing. Okay, guys, so today we're going to do a little how-to on nails. Dun, 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 dun. So these are just a few of my favorites, and one of the things that I really wanted to point out when it comes down to nails is the fact that glue is important. You don't want to be too embarrassed and one of your nails just pop off in the public, and you looking like, and you walking around like this. People like, okay, you giving me rock star status? No. You know, this be sometimes when my nail be popping off, I'll be like, hey girl. But, you know, we don't want that. So 2 most important things. Disclaimer, I'm not a professional. This is just what I do, okay? As an individual and as a fake nail addict, okay? So I just want to show you the 2 glues that I use. It's a brand called Kiss. It looks like this. I can show you the box right now. And it is Bring the Salon Kiss Salon Color. It's the short nails, but they have long ones as well. I mean, the medium size, I'm sorry. You get 28 nails. Smudge free, polish perfect. With this box, the box comes pretty much like this. You have all the nails in the front. As you can see, I'm already using. These are some white nails, because what I like to do sometimes is do a little mix them up a little bit. So like, I'm gonna show you an example of what I'm getting ready to do. I'm gonna do this one day, okay? See this? I got this from the dollar store. I'm a little bit too old to be wearing these 2 colors. We're gonna scratch that out and we're gonna add some whites. So I'm just showing you some of the things that I do. But with this particular brand, guys, it comes with specific glue. The glue looks like this. Let me show y'all. And it is Kiss Pink Gel Nail Glue. Now I'm sure they got this in a bigger bottle, and I just actually had a revelation just now about this nail glue. But okay, anyway, but it's Kiss Pink Gel Nail Glue. with this nail glue, y'all. This is the best nail glue I have used and I have experienced. My nails have stayed on longer than the normal kind. When I'm using regular nail glue, I've tried different ones. They have not worked. This is the one. Sometimes when I want to go overboard and I really want them suckers to last and hold on, I do use this. I use the super glue gel. It's super glue. Now, let me warn you. When I first tried this, my sister put me on this, and I was just like, you know what, sis? I'm not trying to get no fake nails to be stuck on my nails for a lifetime. I don't know how safe that is. But I felt, just try one hand. I tried one hand, guys, and guess what? That one hand out of all my nails stayed on the longest than the rest of the nails. So this stuff does work. You do not need that much. And when I say that much, if you go to the point of you see the whiteness of this gel glue dried up, like at this part, at the end of the nail part, you put too much. So you don't need that much, but you want to put enough. So what I like to do, guys, I actually put some glue, either or. I'm saying I either put the glue, not either. This is what I do. I put the glue on my actual nail, and I actually put it on the fake nail. I combine them suckers together. Boom, boom, and guess what? I'm good for a couple weeks. So, not a couple weeks, I'm going to say. I ain't going to go over. The longest I like to keep my nails is about 2 weeks because you get so many varieties. You want to change it up a little bit. You don't want to keep wearing those same nails all over again. So, don't do that to yourself. Have some fun. Okay, so, I just wanted to share that with you guys. That those 2 nail glues are the only glues that I have experienced that works. Now, they may have some other stuff that out there work. I don't know it yet, but those are my 2 options. I just want to help some folks out there because, see, I love nails. I used to go to the nail shop every 2 weeks to get my nails done. But, see, they didn't added all this different stuff in the nails. I don't know what it is. Between that UV light, whatever the products they use, the chemicals. I even tried chemical-free. None of that stuff works. All my cuticles just start to burn. So I just leave it all out, leave them all natural. My nails are pretty healthy. I like to keep them cut down because, see, I don't like when I wear my fake nails and say, for instance, want to pop off, then my nail popping out. Let me help y'all out. I'm going to cut them, but it's as short as possible. I cut them as short as possible. Stick that nail on there. Then I'm on the go. So just wanted to put that out there before we start and show you how to do these nails. All right, stay tuned. Okay, guys. So for this video, you will need, of course, your nail of choice, some cuticle oil, some type of buffing tool. I like to use 2 types. You can get this one from the dollar store and then this one from Walmart. An actual buffer, filer, a nail filer, your glue, some type of cotton pad, and alcohol. And that's it. Let's get started. Also, guys, don't forget a nail clipper, and this is like the cuticle clipper. Okay, guys, so the first thing that you want to do is file your nails down. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm actually filing my nails down. And then the next thing you want to also do, one of my favorite things to do, is to actually use a nail clipper to cut my nails down. This helps with, say for instance, I hit my nail or something like that, it won't physically crack into my nail. The next thing that I'm doing is just buffering up my cuticles, cleaning them up, making them as clean as possible, so that once I actually apply the nail on, that I just won't have any issues or anything that would distract or make my nails look like they're old. So I'm just doing some cleanup at this point. Okay, guys, so after everything is all clean, I am going to clean up my area, clean up all of those tools so I can have space for the nails. I'm so excited. Kids nails will have to be my most favorite nails that I like to purchase. Now, they come with some of those thick gooey gel that you can put underneath. I do not like those because if you get something underneath your nails, guys, it's going to get stuck on there and your nails underneath are going to be dirty. this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, again, go ahead and subscribe and be notified when I get my videos and when they're uploaded, okay? You guys have a great day, a blessed day. Remember, this is a new year, fresh start. I'm praying over you guys. I pray that you guys have a blessed year, that this year gives, I'm going to say for myself, the last decade was 10 years of lessons, but guess what, baby? I'm walking in my 10 years of blessings, okay? Okay. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.